Today in this video I will show you about Ngcontent and I will show you the benefit of Ngcontent. So this is the preview of my project, and here you can see I have already created two boxes. So this is the first box and this is the second box. Now I will move on my code. So I will go to my Visual Studio Code, and here I have already opened about component.html file where I have created our code to box. So this is the bootstrap row, and I have added two column. So this is the first column, and here is the first box, you can see here, and this is the second column, you can see bootstrap column, and here is the second box. So now we can do it in another way. So how we can do it? So first of all, I will go to my terminal, and here I will open a new terminal, and now I will generate a component. So I will write here the command ng for generate, c for component, and I will write the name of the component is box. You can write here any name of this component. So it's generated a box component. So I'll decrease the size of terminal and I will refresh it, and so here you can see it's the box component generated. So now I will open our box component.html file and box component.ts file. So first of all, I will go to the about component.html file, and from here I will remove the box code. So I will cut it, and here in box component.html file, here just I will paste that code. And now if I go to the browser, okay, here I forgot to save, so I will save here. So now you can see it's removed the first box because I have removed from here the first box. But now we can do it here. The first box I paste inside this box component.html file. So I will go to the box component.ts file, and from here I will copy the selector of box component. You can see the selector, and I will go to the about component.html file, and here I will just call the box component selector. So I will add arrow and box component. Now if I save it and go to the browser, so you can see it's added box component. And the same way I will remove this box code also, and here also I will call the box components selector. So here is the preview. So you can see it's added two boxes because the box code I have skipped into the box component.html file, and in the about component.html file I have called the box component selector. And now suppose I have to add here box 1, and here I have to write here box 2. So now how we can do it? So this time I will use Ngcontent. So just box component.html file, and from here I will remove the h2 tag, and instead of that here I will write Ngcontent and save it. And in the about component.html file, just here I will paste this h2 tag, and also here I will paste the h2 tag. So now you can see the same of the preview. So you can see the same preview. So now here I can write box 1 and here box 2. So this is the benefit of Ngcontent. Here you can see it's lays the code, the same box code I have stored into the box component.html file, and here I have just called this app box to Ngcontent to change the content. And now suppose also I have to change this content also. So same way I will cut this h3 tag from here, and instead of h3 tag here just I will write Ngcontent, save, and here I will paste it, and here I will paste it, and here just I will write box content 1 and box content 2. And now I will go to the browser. So you can see here it has a problem. This box 1, it's come into the yellow box, and the same way the box 2 come into the yellow box, because the Ngcontent ignoring the first one. This Ngcontent is ignoring and it's etching the last one Ngcontent. That's the reason to come this box 1 and box content inside this yellow box, because it's ignoring first Ngcontent and it's come here inside this second Ngcontent. So in this situation we can write a class name. So here just I will add a class name. So class equals to, I will write the class name h2, and here I will write a class name h3, and the same way I will copy this class name and I will paste inside the second box, and this I will copy this class and here just I will paste it, and inside this Ngcontent just here I will write select equals to inverted comma, and I will copy the first h2 tag, and just here I will write here dot, because when we write class then we use dot, and if we write id then we use hashtag. So here I use class, so I have written here dot, and I will paste h2 tag, and in the same way I will copy this h3 tag and inside this box component HTML file, and here in the same way I will write select equals to dot, because this is also class and h3 class. So I will paste it. So now you can see it's doing good. So this is the benefit of Ngcontent. So hope guys this video is helpful for you, and if you want to get more videos in Angular then you can subscribe and press the notification bell icon also.